Delivery of order. Item number
Yes,
one.
something, is
Date hearing.
anything?
One item 5 million. I will do it day after tomorrow, million on Thursday. Item 5. I have second.
Item?
5 million.
Item number 5,
5 hearing.
day after tomorrow?
Right.
No, they cannot fix it. This is, somehow these things are fixed today because of, first up, most probably there is an engagement of the other TV. That's why it has fixed. So we cannot fix a date. After 1 week, we'll do?
Fine.
Okay, after 1 week. At the request made by liaison after 1 week.
What?
Yes.
Maybe.
Which one?
Item 1.
Delivery of order?
Let's see.
Your bail petition stands dismissed.
Loveless.
Officer Depot, Aisha Sassoon.
Item number 2.
May it please, Your Honor.
Yes.
The petitioner is behind the bar for last 577 days, Lordship.
577 days.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Before going to other merits of the case, Lordship, this matter is equally covered by your Lordship's order passed in bail application 368 on 2025.
Have you annexed this one here?
No, here.
Oh, yeah, also.
I've seen, Lordship, the no ground of arrest has been communicated to the petitioner, Lordship.
So this is out of same FIR or what?
No. It is equally covered by this.
Okay. So otherwise, your other any other merits?
These are the grounds.
577 days he is in custody.
Lordship.
What is the stage of the case at present?
So for evidence, Lordship, there is no witnesses has come forward, Lordship. It is still.
Till now,
Lordship.
how many witnesses listed here?
No one, Lordship.
No, listed witness, eight prosecution.
Last date was 14/5/25.
So till now, no witnesses could be examined. And the next date is?
25/6.
That is not repeated. 14, Ina Elsia 14/5 last.
On that day also, the witnesses didn't turn up? And next date is yours per you?
25/6, I have taken it from the Lordship system of.
System, okay, 25/6.
Same stage, Lordship.
So this position is from your position?
Lordship, position is from the petitioner, Lordship, from a car, Lordship, actually. And there is.
Yes, Goswami.
334 gram heroin. Not
Pardon?
334 gram heroin.
334 grams of heroin.
Recovered from the prisoner.
Commercial.
Commercial settlement. Apart from the notice on fifth,
Here, you have annexed the arrest memo or the, whether there is annexed here?
But I've seen it from the scan copy of the record, Lordship.
Where is this scan copy of the record? Have you flagged it?
and notice 50 or flagged and arrest
You have
memo not
flagged
flagged
it.
before it.
It was 50 or 47? 50.
50. And prior to 50 page, no, arrest memo was there.
So otherwise your petitioner got arrested on which date?
16/11/2023, Lordship, he was forwarded, Lordship.
16/11?
2023.
Oh. And rest of your submission will make it your submission as per 37 and now we'll make it. লিখি লৈছে না 570 changes. The witness, no witness examined. Okay, we'll pass it.
Supplementary item number.
এইটো তেখেতৰ তাত যাব অৰ্ডাৰটো তেওঁ মাৰিব আমাৰ এটা ফৰ্মেট দিয়া আছে এইটো ফৰ্মেটত মাৰিব তেখেতে অৰ্ডাৰ এইটো তেখেতক দি দিব ডিছপ'জ দেখাই দিব ডিছপ'জ দেখাব এইটো কি হিয়াৰ ইজ
Supplementary item number 14 and 14.
May it please your lordship, my senior Mr. Kane Chaudhary is engaged before another court, so the matter may be taken up after some time.
CD received without the absolute case was called for in the earlier order.
There are two things are there. In fact, these benches, we are sitting only for some time because as soon as the DB of the other DB, we have to move for the DB. So we cannot keep the timing and all because most probably second half this bench will not sit. And that apart, we cannot say at this stage whether it can be fixed or not because temporarily we are sitting now. This is just temporary arrangement because second DV is there in fact. Your scenery is where he is
Lordship,
in?
he is appearing before court number 2, Lord, for the future.
Then though I cannot say at this stage, it's probably going to be possible. Yes, Gusami, what do you want to submit?
Earlier lordship, the absolute case was called for.
In both the matters.
For
So
FSL.
there is a one question in one matter, most probably FSL is the requirement of FSL is there. Because one thing that one vengeance or was something like this kind of thing was for the verification whether this account is from this accused Ritam Singh. So that was the main issue. So we need the FSL report. I don't know whether FSL is there or not. And how long FSL will wait for this? Because FSL is awaited since last.
Lordship. Very long order. Last is 14,546.
14/5?
13/5 year old.
Yes, 13/5 was the last date.
Last date. And next, last is around 4/6. But
So
about
3/6.
3/6. We have communicated on 4/6.
Lordship, the FSL was called for.
3/6 matter was listed or not it list, not listed?
3/6, the matter came up, but it was listed. My senior did not appear, Your Lordship. H. Buragohai appeared. And I believe the CFSL report has not yet been received.
No order is there available in 3/6. That's why I'm asking. So 3/6, what had happened on
I do have a
3/6?
copy of the order.
But
3/6, the
3/6
order is
is
there.
order.
Order is there.
Order is.
Yet क्यों ना 3/6 order? But it's not available in the record. Why? Order of 3/6. Itu record আছে নেকি? এটা ডেটতে order কৰিব পাৰে sir.
কৈ দিয়া।
নাই, ইয়াতে হ'ব। ইয়াতে আহিছে যদি ইয়াৰ আগতে।
ও দুইটা একেলগে কৰা আছে।
যিহেতু instruction মোক দিয়া নাই, senior এটাকে।
3/6 was there. H. Buragohai appeared. So on the next date, actually both the matters were stayed together. Order was passed, a common order was passed. So today is the date fixed for 17/6.
17/6.
Yes, Gusami, what do you want to submit now?
CD was, we have communicated on 4/6/25, Lordship, but CD was not taken back and we have not received the FSL report also.
So CD was lying with you only.
Yes, we have, yes, CD was received on 2/6. So in the 3/6 CD will be there, Lordship, was there.
No, 3/6, we had the CD, but
But we have communicated on 4/6/25 for the FSL report. That is not received yet. So given a lordship sorted, I pray for that.
we don't have short date. We don't have,
Otherwise,
before vacation too may not be possible also. Your CD may or may not reach also. You folks, you are Mr.
T. Kashyap, Your Lordship. My name is not there, but I appear on behalf of Mr. Kane Chaudhary.
Yes. Hard Mr. T. Kashyap, done it. counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Ken Chaudhary, no?
Please, Lordship.
Ken Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate. Also heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. দুইটা order একে হেরে কইলে হবে। It is submitted by Mr. Goswami that for up-to-date CD and the CFSL report, they have already communicated with the IO on 3/4/6/2025, but the IO did not take back the case diary. And CFSL report is also not available. Also could not be collected by the prosecution. I mean by the additional people. He, however, submitted that a short date may be given with a direction to the IO for direction to the IO to send the CFSL report along with updated case diary. Post out. Next paragraph. From the record, it reveals that the case is pending for updated case diary since long. Until that, the IO is not in a position to furnish the updated case diary along with the CFSL report. However, considering this submission made by learned additional PP, one more chance is given to the IO with a direction to take back the case diary from the office of the learned additional learned PP and to furnish the updated case diary along with the CFSL report, if any. In default, the IO may be served with a personal show cause notice. List the matter accordingly.
A copy of the order.
A copy of the order may be furnished. No, এটা লিখো না লাগে, আপনি copy of order দিয়ে দেন। Vacation ঠিক পিছতে কি ডেট আছে বড়? আমার 14th খুলিব ন? 15 নিদিব নাহি নাপাব পাৰে। We are making it on 16/7.
16.
16/7. Immediately 14 may not be possible for furnishing the updated, so 14/15 we are left and 16/7.
Lordship, may I pray for 18th, Your Lordship?
18?
16th may not be possible for my senior.
Okay, 18/7.
Lordship,
List accordingly 18/7. Till then, the interim be continued. Interim be continued till next date of list. Oh,
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
Knowledge earlier rejected. It is that, my lord, that alternative medical doctor thing. Earlier rejected 20, though I made a specific statement in para 13, but I have not enclosed, my lord, this order, your lordship order. Your lordship rejected at that stage on 24/1/2025. At that stage, my lord. Now, something what happened, my lord, after your lordship order, my lord, the entire document has already been seized by the police. That is your lordship order, last rejection order, my lord. My lordship rejected saying that, my lord, some of the witnesses says, my lord, he performed, my lord, surgery, my lord. So I called him, my lord, I asked him, he said, no. Because there's some time, my lord, there have been some swollen lymph nodes, which is caused due to, my lord, bacterial fungus. What happened, my lord, when these blazes came, is they simply opened the mouth of this limb and drained those old things. Yes, that I have done, he says. That I have done, my lord. Because here also, my lord, one Ahmed, he lodged a complaint to the district administration health service authority, saying that I went to his clinic, his brother injected 2 injections. After reaching home, my lord, painful swelling developed in his left buttock. Left buttock means flesh area on the left side of the lower back, my lord. In between, my lord, between the lower back and the perineum, my lord. It is not that major, my lord, side effect caused due to injection pushed by the brother of the petitioner, my lord. And so far, this is a simple, yes, sometime when the blazers came, my lord, then we do, my lord, simply open the mouth of the, my lord, swollen lymph nodes and drain those odd things, my lord. In this case also, my lord, when it painful, my lord, swelling developed in his left buttock, then he went to other clinic, wherein also, my lord, his tenderness and the swollen lump was drained by surgery, by some other clinic. Therefore, my lord, question raised, my lord, suspicion cast on the petitioner that degree obtained by him is suspicious, and the my lord cleaning run by him is not permissible under the law, my lord. And that is the reason, and that case has been instituted against me, my lord. So far as the my lord degree I obtained, the alternative medicine degree, that cannot be queried because all this section inserted against me is bailable except what is troubling me, section 336(2). It is dealt with crime of forgery with an intent to commit fraud, my lord. But I have not committed any fraud in this case, my lord. Only that section is troubling me, C36, and so the other section is level, my lord, it is 41, 41(1), 41(2) of the Clinic Establishment Registration and Regulation Act 2010, my lord, where the punishment prescribed only fine, my lord. And so far as the section 336(2) is concerned, my lord, here the punishment prescribed only, my lord, 7 years, and which deals with the crime of forgery with an intent to commit fraud, my lord. The fraud, my lord, so far as the, my lord, the degree which I have obtained, my lord, from the different institution, following their own rule and regulation, my lord. So that cannot be questioned. So that document has already been seized, my lord. But my responsible submission, my lord. Custody detention of the petitioner, my lord, may not be necessary in this case, my lord. What he has done, yes, it is not that, my lord, I am totally innocent. I'm not saying that, my lord. My submission is that sometimes he commits. That simply opened the mouth of the dead, my lord, swollen leaf mood to drain these odd things or tenderness, my lord. That he has done, that I am not denying, my lord. So the major surgery concerned, because he is not authorized, he has not eligibility to perform the major surgery, my lord. And also, my lord, the inquiry report also says, my lord, there is 2 qualified doctors appointed, sometimes to see the blazer. They are privileged, I know, my lord, they are my lord, totally backward places. They don't have enough means to, my lord, to go to the, my lord, big clinic for treatment, my lord. Sometimes they come, my lord, this, my lord, petitioner's killing, my lord, that clinic also was established after, my lord, issuing registration certificate by the district registration authority, my lord. Even but if there is any, my lord, mistakes committed, my lord, they could have, my lord, district authority has every power to cancel that, my lord, registration, but not yet cancel, my lord. And after you also see, my lord, the clinic has closed, my lord, everything is closed, my lord. So by responsible submission, my lord, custodial detention may not be necessary, my lord. He will face trial, my lord, cooperate with the investigation, my lord. And also, he also, my lord, had also completed one course, my lord, that is called Community Medical Service and Essential Drugs, which allowed him, my lord, to provide basic medical service to the distressed people by the medicine which were allowed by the World Health Organization. And that World Health Organization, my lord, recommended 150 numbers of medicine, and that is accepted by the Medical Board of India and the Yoga. It's the Board of Health Education and Yoga Alternative Medicine. That I also enclosed, my lord. Page 37, page 42, my lord. And that is instead of page 37, my lord. There's all the 150 medicines named there, my lord. Therefore, my lord, my response submission from lawsuit, my lord, custodial detention is concerned, may not be necessary, my lord. He has not committed, my lord, any major surgery which pose threat to the health of the villagers, my lord. And my lord, so far as the investigation is concerned, my all documents seized, it is, my lord, certainly my removes in the case diary, my lord. And after that, my lord, so far as my younger brother is concerned, he appeared, my lord. So far as I cannot appear because of this section 336(2). Even then, my lord, I sent all this, and also, my lord, also find when the inquiry is conducted by the district health services, then also, my lord, we submitted all the documents. Petitioner itself, they sent all the documents to the district health services authority, my lord. So we are cooperating investigation since the very initial stage of this criminal proceeding, my lord.
Yes.
That CD is almost same, lordship. As per the statement of the victim, he has injected her and operated a tumor in her left leg without the permission of the family members, and as per the statement of the victim, lordship. So is a certificate of alternative medicine, doctor
Yes,
of medicine,
yes.
alternative medicines. So he has authorization or not to do this type of operations or not. It's a because it's a serious offense, lordship. He is without valid authority license, lordship, doing a medical operations with these persons. It is
Pollution is done by my lord, some other clinic, not by the petitioner, that is a victim. Kindly see, he visited the other clinic, my lord, main those tenderness and swelling,
ওইখানে
no surgery. আপনি
মানে একটা সেখানে উক্ত ক্লিনিকত ডক্টৰ পৰীক্ষা নামৰ চিকিৎসা কৰে তেওঁ এটা বেজি দিয়া আৰু 12 ভৰিত থকা টিউমাৰ অপাৰেশ্যন কৰিব অপাৰেশ্যন কৰে চেপ্টেম্বৰৰ ভিক্টিম অপাৰেশ্যন কৰাৰ আগতে আমাৰ পৰা কোনো অনুমতি লোৱা নাই and witnessing or other witnesses also stating that some persons are there who has wrongly treatment by this petitioner also. Only thing is that offense is serious because without this a person can die also.
let's provide some time, my lord, nowadays, my lord. A registered medical practitioner, now sometimes their medicine also causes serious infection. my lord.
That's true. That's true. That
It is not that, my lord, major surgery da.
and only thing is that whether this type of practitioner can do this type of operations or other things, and he has some validity of to do this type of things, alternative medicines, and he has operated the person in full leg, the tumor of the left leg, lordship.
Tumor called, my lord, but it is swollen lump nodes. It is also, my lord, FIR is, it is clearly mentioned in the FIR itself. Because petitioner has not committed surgery of the just victim. It is FIR itself, he visited the other clinic, then other clinic, my lord, then drain those, my lord, odd articles through surgery. That is tenderness and swollen limb.
Okay, he repeated all this.
One thing you can do, lordship, is the victim's treatment is going on in another medical lordship. And documents of that medical treatment is deposited to Joint Director of Office Hojai. So if you go through that document, then what is going on at present now, then what he did, it will be reflected from that medical
Those
report,
documents are not yet collected.
not yet collected. It was deposited on original নথিপত্ৰ Joint Director Office Hojai জমা দিছো Joint Director Office Hojai. That is not in the case diary also.
One more question, 24, one not reject for similar to so,
24
1, 2025. What will reject for?
only his brother deposited the documents.
Yes,
His certificates.
yes, so that will.
Okay,
If not,
so these things.
if lordship call for that documents, it will help him also and for us also. Lordship. But the state of the victim very now.
Instead of victim, he is completely fit, my lord, because he knows.
No, he is not on that. He is saying that the documents of the treatments of the documents which were provided to you and the what are the subsequent treatment had to be provided to the victim. All those documents were seized or they were, deposited in the office of the Joint Director Health Service. That's what he is saying. Through IO, it can be called for,
Lordship.
but he has not, the IO has not collected yet those
Not collected
documents.
yet. Last note of the IO is that his brother deposited his education qualification documents. Also.
Because
Well-
there was also a question mark regarding this education.
Yes,
He is not
he is an
Uh,
alternative.
had the higher secondary degree from a very recognized university, I think so.
Yeah, in-
That I have closed, my lord, in this case, my lord.
Now, if you want to, I mean, call for those documents, then it can be, otherwise
Not-
we have to dispose of the matter.
We have all the documents and that everything will be clear. Lordship. Pricing the documents.
Okay.
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, I may kindly protected my, because my,
Heard Mr. F.K.R. Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Case diary has already been received. Full stop. It is submitted by Mr. Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that he is innocent and has not committed any such offense as well as in the FIR. It is a fact that for the one patient came to his clinic with pain on his buttock, and only the act only and he did not did any operation to the said due to the victim. However, the lymph node was open to drain out some the pus, etc. And that apart, nothing major surgery was done in his clinic. Next para. In that context, Mr. Goswami, learned additional PP, submitted that during the investigation, after rejection of the order dated
24/1/2025.
24/1/2025, some of the documents have been collected by the IO in regards to the educational qualification of the present petitioner. But he submitted that some of the documents in regards to treatment of the victim has already deposited in the office of the Joint Director of the Health Service, Hosai, which may be a relevant documents and will be maybe required for the purpose of the disposal of this case. In view of this, Mr. Goswami prayed for a direction to the IO concerned to collect those documents from the office of the Joint Director of the Health Services and to submit along with the updated case diary before this court. Next para, considering the submission made by Mr. Goswami, let the CDB return back with a direction to the IO to collect the all relevant documents in regards to the treatment of the victim, which has already been deposited in the office of the Joint Director Health Services, and to furnish the documents along with the case diary on or before the next date of listing. How many weeks you need in that case?
After vacation.
After vacation?
The-
After vacation, any date 15
Vacation to Pali.
15/7. List the matter accordingly, 15/7.
My lord, in the meantime, we protected my lord. So everything is closed, my lord. My
See, after closing of all the things, we have rejected your petition,
Yes.
so there cannot be any interpretation of 15/7. Here also we have received the case diary.
Not received also. It was not taken back.
Hmm?
CV was not taken back by the IO also. He was lying in a.
But you are not in interim, na?
No,
Not
it was rejected by your.
Earlier
husband,
rejected.
yes.
Why updated is not there? Case diary is,
We have communication on 13/5 last list.
huh? 13?
13/5. And also 66.
Because on 9/5 one order was there. For
Yes.
call for the updated. Your entry is on the last entry is,
13/5/25.
last entry is on 13/5.
Yes. CD entry.
Huh?
CD entry is on. Twenty 3/25.
20
3/25.
March. And your rejection order is dated? Have you annexed your rejection order?
Yes, yes. 21/2025. 20. 1/2025.
20.
Think that no.
Can it be prior vacation? Is there any possibility?
It is from Lordship.
Because she is not in continuous.
Interim Lordship. It is from Dhuri.
How many days we have?
26.
You try?
But
List on 26 by so and so. Directing the IO to take back the case diary and to furnish the updated case diary on or before the next date of listing. In default, the IO may be served with a pursuant so cause notice. List according. We are list.
Yeah, item number 6.
Wait, please, in this case, when the petition, informant has filed this petition, he was suffering cancer. So kindly, some time to obtain instruction, what is the,
He is suffering from cancer.
yes, my lord. So kindly, short date giving, obtaining instruction, my lord.
No, this bench is temporarily we are sitting. We cannot give any date. Let us be after 2 weeks. It may be listed accordingly. Okay. Hard MS R. Begum. Hard MS R. Begum, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also Hard Mr. D.P. Goswami, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by MS Begum that the petitioner is suffering from cancer and hence and he wants to take instructions from her client. Next para, considering the submission made by MS Begum, list the matter accordingly after 2 weeks, enabling the petitioner to take the instructions. List accordingly.
Item number 7.
7-9. Item number 7. What is item number 7? Item number 7.
7.
Non-appearance court for the petitioner. Hard Mr. D.P. Goswami appearing for the state respondent. List the matter accordingly after 2 weeks. After vacation period.
Item number 8.
Lordship, I
Yes.
for us, my senior advocate O.P. Bhatri.
O.P. Bhatri.
He is on his way. May not
So
pass out.
problem is otherwise. Okay, you want to keep it timing?
Yes. Lordship.
One matter will be heard only because I have another
So
bench.
he is only on his way only.
So if other matter starts, then it will not be possible. Okay, we are keeping it timing. Okay. Yes.
Item number 9.
Nine.
Item number 9.
If it is not inconvenient, item number 8 may be taken up. It has become infractions. Item number 8. Sorry, 7.
No, item number 7, none appears.
Lordship. That has
You are
become
for the
infrac-
item number 7.
Yes, Lordship. That has become infractions. So this matter has become infractions. I am for the petitioner.
Already become infractious.
Yes, Lordship.
Item number 7 to not.
It is of 2013 and
9, anyone is appearing here? Item number 9. Just a second.
Respondent, your lordship. On the previous few occasions, the appellant was absent and
Previously, occasion was.
on the last occasion, there was an observation if they continue to be absent, consequential orders may be asked. There's a money decree, your lordship. Thereafter it has been stopped.
Was there any stay? No, I think.
There was a stay. Your lordship.
Which date? Can you tell us on when the stay order was passed?
I'll have to check. The time of admission of the bill itself.
At the time of admission.
Admission.
It is of 2015 matter. No, I don't think so. ACB is the, you are for the
ACB,
Is
it is
the-
ASTC, not ACB. It was
ASTC.
wrongly reflected that council for ACB on one date, your lordship,
Huh.
but ACB is not a party here. ASTC is the party.
ASTC is the part. Yes, it seems that non-appearing is on for call. But the question is that admission order, I didn't find any order of admission. Admitting this present appeal because the issue of 50% was also there. They don't know, but that on one date it was order was passed on 4/4/2016. It has already been deposited. Before vacation, any date can be given. None appears on call for the appellant. Heard Mr. Mukherjee, the learned counsel for the respondent. It reveals from the record that the appellant is remaining absent since last many occasions, consecutive dates. However, for the ends of justice, one more chance is given. Let the matter be listed accordingly. Before vacation, any date of the house.
26.
26/6. 26/6.
This much of it. It's item number 7 to be.
Yes, 7 times. Yes, item number 7.
Lordship, in this case, the interim maintenance was granted, maintenance was granted under section 125, that was challenged. Now, by the lapse of time,
Hmm.
they have amicably settled, so
Settled
the
the matter.
matter has become infractions. And that was informed to me in the year 2023, and thereafter I don't have any communication with that. So matter is, that time they have settled it, they have settled the matter dispute, so they are living together.
Now at presently.
Yes.
So you're for the husband,
Husband petition.
husband petitioner.
The order is at Annexure 8, page 49.
Page?
Page 49, Annexure 8 is the judgment. By this operative portion is at page 54, last paragraph. In the light of the above, I am of the considered opinion that the view that the OP, Dijen Dutta, having sufficient means, has neglected to maintain his wife, who is unable to maintain herself. Hence, I direct OP to pay 5,000 per month for the first party Srimati Rupamani Dutta for her maintenance from the date of his disorder. I am of the view that the maintenance amount of rupees 5,000 per month is just and proper in the given facts and circumstances of the case.
So it was the final disposal wherein the
Yes,
maintenance
this
order.
was the final disposal.
Item number 7. Heard Mr. S.L. Tamuli, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Then appears on call for the respondent. However, it is an application likhid under section so and so in connection with so and so. Challenging the order of judgment and order dated so and so passed by learned. Again, likhid so and so. Next, right, is submitted by Mr. Tamuli that while pending during the pendency of the present criminal petition, both the parties have amicably settled the matter, and at present, the petitioner and the respondents are living together as a husband and wife. And the said compromise, and there was a compromise between the parties in the year 2023. But as there was no communication from the petitioner side, the matter could not be brought before this court. Accordingly, Mr. Tamuli has submitted that matter has already become infructuous and may be disposed of accordingly. Considering the submission made by Mr. Tamuli and all other aspects of the case, and also considering the fact that the parties have amicably settled the matter, I find that there is the matter, the criminal petition seems to become infructuous and accordingly the same is disposed of. Okay.
My lord, item number 8,
Yes,
pass on. I am ready to argue the case.
Goswami, you are here, item number 6.
Yeah, state is there.
State is, have you gone through the record, Mr. Goswami? Pardon?
Records I have not gone through yet. Lordship.
Then?
Lordship. I pray for-
Actually, what has happened, Mr. Bhatti, this bench is just temporarily we are sitting.
Yes,
let
it come
Because it is, we have a division bench, in fact. The
Yeah.
other division is going on, that's why. I'm
Next
here.
week, ma'am.
Uh,
Because since he has not gone through the file or the bill, let it come in next week, ma'am.
Next week, I cannot say, maybe after vacation.
After vacation,
will-
in that case, let it be in first week of August. Because July, I may not be available in court.
Is there any interim is operating here? No,
Yes,
interim is operating.
yes.
This case is of 2013. Interim is
30.
still operating. That is the issue. Otherwise, Mr. Bhatti, he is ready.
But Lordship, I am alone today and I have gone through other files also. That's why I could not go through it, Lordship.
Okay, then heard Mr. O.P. Bhatti, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. D.B. Goswami, the learned additional PE appearing on behalf of state respondent. At a request made by Mr. Goswami, the learned additional PE. In this matter accordingly, in the first week of August, with a direction to both the parties to proceed with the hearing on the next date of listing. Interim be continued till next date of listing. Okay.
Much of.
Item number 10 and then the 11th.
My please, Lordship. Lordship, the matter may be passed over for the day, as because the standing council for NF Railway is in bereavement, because his father-in-law have expired yesterday. We have already informed the opposite side, other side. Lordship. The matter.
And if railway in fact you're for the opposite party,
Yes.
when a respondent,
Yes. Yes, Lordship. For NF Railway, on behalf of B. Sharma, standing council NF Railway.
P. Sharma, NF Railway, na?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the matter may come up to vacation and it may be fixed on the last day, on the last week of July, Lordship.
None appears on call for the appellant. However, your Mr.
He does.
D. does appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Sharma, standing counsel NF Railway, submitted that he is in bereavement and accordingly paid for an adjournment. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for the respondent, prayer is allowed. List the matter accordingly after vacation, preferably in the last week of July. Registry will fix the date accordingly.
Hello, Lordship.
Item number 12.
I'm reading as an amicus curiae for the informant.
For the informant.
Perhaps the LCR has been received, registry may be directed to prepare a paper book. Can be furnished to me, perhaps on the next day it can be taken up for you.
Generally, the single bench paper book may not be there, but is in a vernacular.
No, most of it is in English except for a few exhibits, most of it. I
Yes,
leave it
Mr.
to your lordship because otherwise it's not numbered. the
Hmm.
LCR, that is the only reason I requested for the paper.
The paper book can be prepared, it's no bar, but the
Yeah.
question is that I don't know if it is in vernacular,
No,
then
it
definitely.
is not in Malayalam. Only a few, apart from depositions are in English.
Okay. So you are for the informant. no?
Informal.
None appears on call for the appellate. heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, the learned additional BP, appearing on behalf of state respondent, and also heard Mr. K.P. Patel, the learned amicus, for the informant respondent number 2. The case is otherwise ready for hearing, however, the registry may be directed. Registry is hereby directed to prepare the paper book and release the matter accordingly after vacation.
My lord,
You are
I-
appearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, for the
Uh,
appellant.
Yes.
Heard Mr.
Hussain, my lord.
T. Hussain, the প্রথমটা লিখে দিও, heard Mr. T. Hussain for the appellant. So he listing it after vacation. Oh, yes.
Kindly fix a date, my lord. Maybe it is a problem for this thing, my lord. Any date, my lord, after vacation.
After vacation, kiba date আছে? Yes, yes, yes. We are directing the registry to prepare the paper book. In fact, that's why they
They will be requested to furnish a copy to me. of
no,
the paper.
definitely it will be furnished to you.
Very well.
Copy, and copies may be furnished to the both the parties. List the matter accordingly after preparation of the paper book, as on a date to be fixed by the registry, preferably after first week of August, preferably in the first week of August.
Available. I think you want.
We could not post the matters in the second half because of this division bench. So anyway, we'll just this over. Okay.
I'll go look. For now, like.